What if I told you that right now scientists are trying to bring back animals that went extinct thousands of years ago, that deep in secret labs the woolly mammoth is already being grown, cell by cell, and that the next creature to return might not be one we're ready for? This is not science fiction anymore. This is the age of de-extinction, and we're about to open a door we may never be able to close. As this groundbreaking research unfolds, visions of ancient ecosystems come to life, but questions linger in the air. Should we truly resurrect these giants of the past? The responsibility of playing God weighs heavily on our shoulders. These creatures once ruled the earth, and now through ingenuity we stand on the brink of bringing them back. Yet with every step forward, the shadows of ethical dilemmas loom large, challenging our very understanding of nature. Thanks to advances in CRISPR gene editing, cloning, and ancient DNA extraction, we are on the verge of something unthinkable. Scientists call it de-extinction. Others call it playing God. The woolly mammoth being recreated using Asian elephant DNA. The passenger pigeon being rebuilt from frozen specimens. The Tasmanian tiger set to walk again within the decade. This groundbreaking research raises profound questions about ethics and our relationship with nature. As we stand on the brink of reviving lost species, society grapples with the responsibility that comes with such power. The excitement of possibility clashes with the weight of ethical considerations in the age of de-extinction. The question remains, are we ready to welcome these ancient beings back into our world? In this brave new world of genetic engineering, the boundaries of nature are being redefined. With each discovery, we move closer to answering the age-old question, can we really bring the past into the present? The journey of de-extinction is not just about science. It is a quest to reconnect with the essence of our planet's history. Why do we want to bring back extinct species like mammoths and pigeons? Some argue that ecological restoration is the key. Imagine mammoths transforming tundras back into lush grasslands, or pigeons rebalancing our forests. There's a belief that reviving these species might even reverse climate change. But is that truly the motivation behind our efforts? Or is it simply because we have the ability to do so? In laboratories across the world, scientists are delving into genetics, exploring how to revive these lost creatures. Their determination shines through as they contemplate the implications of bringing back species long gone. Envision thriving meadows where coexistence thrives, restoring balance to our ecosystems. This endeavor raises an important question. Is our pursuit driven by a genuine desire to heal the planet, or is it simply the allure of scientific possibility? In cities where concrete dominates, the struggle for nature persists, highlighting the tension between human advancement and ecological balance. An infographic comes to life revealing how the introduction of mammoths and pigeons could rejuvenate ecosystems, enhance biodiversity, and possibly mitigate climate change. This ongoing dialogue prompts us to reflect on our responsibilities as stewards of the planet. Are we driven by necessity or the thrill of unraveling nature's secrets? Ecosystems are like Jenga towers. Remove a block, it wobbles. Put back the wrong block at the wrong time, it collapses. Mammoths may crush fragile tundra mosses. Cloned predators may spread ancient viruses. Revived species may displace animals fighting to survive today. In trying to fix the past, we may destroy the future. In a dark laboratory filled with futuristic equipment, scientists work on cloning a dinosaur surrounded by vials and advanced technology, illustrating the complexities of reviving extinct species. Meanwhile, in a thriving forest scene, various modern animals struggle to coexist with an ancient creature looming in the background, hinting at the tension between past and present life forms. A group of scientists looks concerned as they analyze data on a computer screen, displaying the potential impacts of reintroduced species on current ecosystems. The illustration depicts an ecosystem with interconnected species, showing how the removal or addition of one affects the entire web of life, resembling a complex puzzle. As we explore the boundaries of science, questions arise about the ethical and philosophical dangers of resurrection. Who determines which species deserve a second chance at life? Where do we draw the line when considering the implications of bringing back beings like Neanderthals, or even extinct human relatives? What if we apply these questions to ourselves? Are we creating life or merely imitating it? The fine line between scientific advancement and ethical horror becomes increasingly blurred as discussions unfold. At what point does science cross into the realm of horror? As we grapple with the implications of our innovations, the ethical landscape shifts beneath our feet. In this quest for knowledge, we may find more than we bargained for. The resurrection of the past could challenge our understanding of existence and our responsibilities toward what we choose to revive. As society grapples with these profound questions, the allure of scientific discovery beckons, yet the underlying fear of unforeseen consequences looms large, leaving us to ponder the true cost of resurrection. These projects are not mere hypotheses. They represent genuine advancements in science. The Mammoth De-Extinction project is currently funded and making progress while the Tasmanian tiger revival is actively ongoing. Remarkably, the resurrection of extinct frogs has already seen success in embryo development. These scientists are real individuals with tangible funding supporting their initiatives, and we may witness the emergence of the first born-again mammal as early as 2030. Behind the scenes, scientists are painstakingly manipulating genetic codes, striving to bring back species that have vanished from our world. The Tasmanian tiger, once thought lost forever, is currently undergoing revival efforts that inspire hope among conservationists. As we witness these extraordinary breakthroughs, the dream of restoring lost wildlife inches closer to reality, with dedicated teams committed to rewriting the narrative of extinction. Within the walls of a cutting-edge research facility, teams of passionate researchers convene to share findings and strategize the next steps in their groundbreaking work. Imagining a lush forest alive with the presence of once extinct species fuels their ambition. The potential reintegration of the mammoth and Tasmanian tiger into modern ecosystems symbolizes a revolutionary shift in our approach to conservation. What if everything goes wrong? The first mammoth escapes its enclosure, trampling through villages and spreading ancient bacteria, causing chaos among the panicked population. As recreated predators begin to hunt endangered species, the delicate balance of nature shifts dramatically, leading to alarming consequences that nobody could have anticipated. Global trade of extinct pets skyrockets as black market gene editing operations thrive, creating a demand for bizarre hybrids that challenge the very essence of nature. Nature fights back against this chaos as environments crumble and ecosystems falter, leaving experts racing against time to restore balance before it's too late. With every wrong turn, the consequences become clearer. Nature's fury manifests as storms rage and ecosystems collapse, challenging humanity's grasp on control. As the world faces unprecedented disasters, a movement rises urging humanity to reconsider its path before the final curtain falls on this fragile planet. Amidst the chaos, hope emerges as a new generation learns to appreciate nature's wonders, pushing for change and striving to heal the wounds inflicted on the earth. If we master de-extinction, what's next? Superhuman traits from extinct hominids, cryogenically stored billionaires returning, replacing the dead with updated versions. Maybe the age of extinction is over, and the age of resurrection has begun. But not everything that dies should come back. What would happen if we could rewrite history? Would we choose to bring back loved ones or explore the unknown with new beings? In this reality, the lines blur between life and death, and with each choice comes profound consequences. The questions loom large. Are we ready for the responsibility that resurrection demands? In the quest for resurrection, society must confront deep ethical dilemmas. Who grants permission to bring back the past? What rights do these resurrected beings hold? As families find joy in reunions, an undercurrent of anxiety simmers, challenging our understanding of existence and what it means to truly live. The power to bring life back from the dead is real, but power without wisdom is a ticking time bomb. So I ask you, would you bring back the mammoth or let it rest in peace? Tell us in the comments. Like, share, and subscribe if you believe the past still has something to teach us. Imagine wandering a world where mammoths roam once more, but consider the consequences of resurrecting a creature long gone. The thrill of bringing back the past dances tantalizingly close, yet wisdom must guide such power. Would you unleash this ancient giant into a world that has moved on, or preserve its memory in peace? Reflect on what could be learned from both choices. In the heart of debate, experts weigh science against ethics, pondering the implications of resurrecting a long-lost species. The timeline stretches across epochs, showcasing the majesty of the mammoth's time, while hinting at the responsibilities that accompany our capabilities. What lessons from the past could guide us in crafting a future where ancient beings walk again?